Hi, I'm Aurelia, and I'm at Colonial Volkswagen getting ready for the Volkswagen Retro to New Age Car Show. Let's check out some cars. Here we are at the VW Car Show with one of our contestants. Tell me your name and the type of car you have.
My name is Bill Jerger, and I have a B6 Passat.
And what makes your car stand out?
It's a B6 is not really a Volkswagen that's done up very often. So for me to put the money into doing something different made sense. So I did a lot of different things to it between the exterior body kits and the engine work. So I mean, just kind of, for me, it stands out a little bit more than the generic GTIs or the Jettas. I mean, they're all nice, but yeah, everybody seems to do those.
Awesome. Thanks so much for coming out.
Sure. Thanks
and
for having me.
the best of luck to you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.